Good morning from Boracay. If you're looking for peace and quiet before the island wakes up, Bulabog Beach is the perfect place to start your day. One of the first things you'll see is the I Love Boracay sign. It's a simple message, but it speaks volumes. Everyone who visits this island ends up falling in love with it. It's a perfect place to pause, snap a photo, and just take it all in. Further down, you'll notice wide open water and strong wind. This beach is famous for kite surfing. In the windy season, the sky fills with colorful kites and surfers glide above the waves. But now during the off-season, Bulabog is quieter. The sea is calmer, the wind softer, and the atmosphere peaceful. And right near the shore stands a slanting coconut tree, leaning perfectly toward the beach. It's one of the most iconic photo spots in Boracay. Travelers love to climb it, pose on it, or just sit nearby and enjoy the view. Whether you're here for sunrise, photos, or simply a moment of stillness, Bulabog Beach reminds you to slow down and just enjoy being here. And if you'd like to relax your five senses and treat yourself to something truly special, a place to recharge your body, clear your mind, and feel completely refreshed, visit Danaru Spa, just a short walk from here. Book easily online at dream999danaru.com and make your day even more unforgettable. Like and follow for more Boracay moments.